What if I told you that the one thing you're running from, the fear of failure, is exactly what the most successful people run toward? Welcome back to 300 Secrets to Success, where we uncover the hidden strategies of the world's top performers. Today, we're talking about the one thing that paralyzes millions: fear of failure. But here's the twist. The people you admire most, they didn't eliminate that fear. They used it. Let's break it down. Even the elite feel it. Elon Musk admitted he thought Tesla would fail. Oprah was fired from her first job. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team. Fear doesn't go away with success. It just changes shape. So what separates them from the rest of us? High achievers flip the script. While most people see fear as a signal to stop, successful people treat it as a compass. If something scares them, starting a business, giving a speech, pitching a bold idea, they ask, is this fear pointing me to where I need to grow? They chase discomfort because they know that on the other side is transformation. Here's the psychology behind it. It's called exposure therapy. Elite performers deliberately expose themselves to controlled discomfort. They give fear a playground to play in. That anxiety, they don't suppress it. They channel it into preparation, into training, into obsession. Failure becomes a training ground, not a tombstone. To successful people, failure isn't personal. It's data. They ask, what went wrong? What can I learn? How can I iterate? This mindset is what separates amateurs from professionals. Professionals expect to fail. They design for it. They even schedule it, because that's how you get better. Here are 3 powerful tactics you can start using today. Fear journaling. Write down exactly what you're afraid of and what would happen if it came true. You'll realize most fears lose their power when examined. The 24-hour rule. After a failure, give yourself 24 hours to feel it. Then switch to analysis mode. What did I learn? The 1% discomfort rule. Do one thing daily that makes you slightly uncomfortable. Pitch that idea, post that video, make that call. Over time, discomfort becomes your new comfort zone. Fear doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're on the edge of something important. The most successful people didn't wait for fear to disappear. They used it as fuel, and they moved anyway. So the next time fear whispers, what if you fail? You answer back, what if I win? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. This is 300 Secrets to Success, and you just unlocked one of the biggest ones.